As you can see, we had a big snow in Denmark last week and we couldn't hold services. So we have a lot of names to thank today for their donations to the Church Historic Restoration Project. The church has raised over $16,000 to date, and the congregation is feeling very blessed that so many people care about the Denmark church and are willing to help us preserve it. Thanks to the following people for their donations: David and Tina Doe, Brian Doe, Keith Wallison, Lee Geyer, Kurt and Linda Davis, John and Margaret Wilbeck, Jolene Lesser, Crawford Farms, Kirsten Lang, Twyla Wallison, Charlotte and Dudley Karstensen, Merla Jean Jensen, Alan and Sharon Christensen, Jeffrey and Kelly Giolato, Steve and Krista Cheney, Leanne Bishaker, Marcy Penner, Susan Cornelson, Pam Paulson, Abner and Catherine Perney, Cindy Curry, Carolyn Jones, Edna Brownell. Go again. Edna Brownell, Sydney Wade, Clifford and Kelly Jo Anderson. There's a good one. And we're going to ring it 3 times. We received 3 anonymous donations. So I apologize if I mispronounced anybody's names, and the names are listed in the comments below. Services are held at the Denmark Church every Sunday morning at 10:30, and we'd love for you to join us. So please help us keep the bell ringing by sharing the Denmark Church Project and your memories of Denmark with your family and friends. We hope to see you next week, and thanks again for your donations.